How to set Zoom app password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set Zoom app password on Android phone. First open Zoom, and now just here click this 3 points here in the bottom corner, this one, click on it, and here we'll find more options, and then just click on your profile. Click here, and that's it. And here you will find update password. Now all you need to do, just click on it, and as you see here, you can set your password, and that's it. It's easy. Just enter the old password here and then the new password and confirm it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.